M&R Engineering is located in the city of Orange, in the center of Orange County in California. We specialize in precision machine components in metal and plastic materials. We have various clients ranging from aerospace, defense, security systems, automotive, as well as a bunch of commercial clients. I joined the team about 4 years ago, and the gentleman who owned M&R at the time, he wanted to retire, and he sold me the business, and I had this great opportunity to become a small business owner. We have different opportunities at M&R Engineering for our employees. Of course, the shop floor, where you can start off from chip spinning, which is a very entry-level position, parts washing, and assembly operations, and then you can work your way up into CNC operations and all the way into setup positions and programming. We also have a screw machine department where it's a lot of work with a cam operated equipment, very old school equipment, but very quick machines. Also, we have opportunities in the quality department where you inspect parts to customer specification and making sure that SPC requirements are met and parts comply to the drawing requirements. I think the most important part is a desire to learn and desire to challenge yourself. We train for a lot of our positions from the ground up, so if you have high school diploma or general education, we can help you learn a lot of the skills. There's also technical positions like in quality engineering inspection where you may need to have a certificate or actual degree in order to advance in that position. I think the main advice you want to learn about machining, which is a very important skill if you want to grow and make more money and provide for yourself and eventually your family, is that you have to be curious. You have to ask questions. You have to show up to work on time, and you have to show up to work every day. I mean, these are some of the things that management and bosses really appreciate, and customers most importantly. You should look for an internship, you should look for a part-time position so you can really get your hands dirty. You should really figure out if it's for you or if it's not for you, and trust me, there's going to be a lot of people that will help you advance to the next level.